Welcome to Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.
A is for apple. Crunchy, sweet, and red, a treat for every head. B is for banana. Peel it up and feel the yum in every bite. C is for cat. Perfectly cute with whiskers and a soft meow. D is for dog. Woof woof. A loyal friend who's always ready to play.
E is for elephant. Big and gray, with a trunk that swings and sways. F is for fish. Swim, splash, and glide. Fish love to play in the water. G is for giraffe. Tall as a tree, with spots for everyone to see. H is for hat. Tip it, flip it. A hat for every head, big and small.
I is for ice cream. Cold, creamy, and sweet, a delightful treat. J is for jelly. Wobbly and jiggly, watch it dance on the plate. K is for kite. Fly high and free in the big blue sky. L is for lion. Roar with pride, the king of the jungle.
M is for moon. Shining bright in the night, a light for all to see. N is for nest. Cozy and warm, a home for baby birds to rest. O is for octopus. 8 wiggly arms, swimming in the sea. P is for penguin. Slide, waddle, and dive in their tuxedos of black and white.
Q is for queen. A regal and grand with a crown upon her head. R is for rainbow. Bright and colorful, after the rain it glows. S is for sun. Warm and bright, giving light to everyone. T is for tree. Tall and strong, where birds chirp and sing all day long.
U is for umbrella. Keep dry and cozy when it's raining outside. V is for violin. Play a tune. It's music for the ears. W is for whale. Big and blue, swimming deep and splashing too. X is for xylophone. Ding, ding, dong. Music that's never wrong.
Y is for yo-yo. Up and down, it spins around and around. Z is for zebra. Black and white stripes, running fast in the wild.
Thanks for watching Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.